Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Awatlinet and welcome to Vlogmas. I do not know which day at this point because I just create content now, and whichever day it goes up, that's the day, that's the Vlogmas. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Awatlinet, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Welcome to this video. It's gonna be just like how can I call it, a slow Sunday in my house. Oh god. Anyway, how is that even a title of a video? Anyway, so that's gonna be it. I'm just gonna be cleaning, cooking, going to the market to buy a few things. Yeah, and let's see how that goes. Come with me. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.